Hello guys, welcome to ChatGPT free experiments. And in today's video, we will be solving some problems from HackerEarth. How we can solve these problems using ChatGPT. I'm going to explain in this particular video. So let's get started with it. Okay. So HackerEarth is a place like where you can prepare for your coding interviews. There are lots of questions over there. Let's go there. So I just created this account so that I can show like the different ways you can solve the problems using chat gpt. So let us pick some problems from algorithms. Okay, if we just this is like this it's very what I'm going to show is like a very effective method to solve the problem. Let us pick this equal parity sum. Now, before ChatGPT, the problem was like you need to spend a lot of time understanding the problem, then you have to code, and later you have to debug that. But here, what we can do is like it can ChatGPT is very good at explaining. Like if you just take this and you put here, so it is it will explain the solution. Like okay, hmm these are some of the integers. So it is giving different cases, guys, so you can see like how it is giving you an example and also helping you understand the problem. And here comes the logic, like how we can do it. I'm not going much into the details of that algorithm, but just like how you can solve any generic problem. Okay, okay. And wherever you are stuck, you can just ask this to simplify the solution. Like okay, okay, it is started coding also. hmm okay. hmm So it is like all the steps that it has explained. It is going step by step and trying to solve that. Let us take this code and try to run and see what happens. Take this code and Python is my favorite language. Okay, let us put this. I just took the raw code from there. So this is like very easy for you to you can test the code and see if there are any errors is there. So we are getting some compilation errors. Okay, if you know this is a very simple identification error. Even if you don't know like what exactly this error means, and if you are beginning your like uh, the study and all, you can just paste it over here and it will try to like okay. So it will not only explain like what exactly the error is and where it is, how to fix it, and it will also give like some improved code that you can submit instead of the previous code. It's a very like taking like lot of costly courses. I think chat gpt gives a very personalized experience. I don't think like there is any online course that can give such type of an experience. Okay, let us see, let us try to run this and see guys what actually happens. Oh wait. Mhm. Okay. Compile it and test it. It's taking time. Okay. And one more interesting thing meanwhile is that what you can do is like there is an option in this. If you are stuck in a problem, you can go into this editorial section. If you are unable to solve it, what there is another reverse method that you can do is like go to the solution, and from solution try to understand the problem, the logic, the code, everything. Don't know why it is taking so much time. Okay, meanwhile let me show you one more thing that you can do. So after this code, what you can do is like and to better understand it, you can tell like explain each line. Wait, explain each line of code in simple way. I found this method very useful, like to understand uh, the code. Maybe much more complex code also you can understand. Okay, so it's starting giving explanation. Okay, there is a wrong answer something. We'll resolve this. Okay, so like this, it will explain to you line by line, guys. Like what exactly is there? Suppose they are initializing variables, a function has been defined, then each of the lines. Okay, so you can just check it out. But meanwhile, what I will do is like I have got some thing called like this is a wrong answer like that. So suppose you are stuck at this place and your code did not print anything. It's the output, so we are actually not getting the output properly. What you can do is like you can just take, instead of code, just take this one and you can paste it over here. Generally is very quick. I don't know, maybe sometimes if you want for like a very quick response, you can even upgrade it also. I think $20 per month is not a big thing. Okay, so like print instruction is missing, so for that it will. Okay, the good thing is like it works, it is almost like pair programming. So for those people who don't know what pair programming is, like two people work on a particular problem on a single system, so that they can spot out the errors fast and improve it quickly. So ChatGPT can be like your pair programming friend, or your pair programming partner, like that. So let us see the code it will generate, and you can try it. We'll put this. So here one more thing I'm liking is like, so you can see like it also learns from our previous inputs. Like we want each line to be explained in a simple way. Now it is generating a corrected code along with explaining each line. Okay, so let us see this one if it works out, or we can just try another way. So again, you're getting compilation error. Let's take it. Mhm. It's also explaining what is the standard indentation, so that you can also learn like not only that you will be able to resolve the error, but you can also learn like what exactly the error is, and it will also give some additional information to understand. Okay, okay. So give me the final code. The most beautiful thing about this is like you can start with scratch and like very quickly start gaining some practical exposure to algorithms and to various other coding problems also. I have even tried ChatGPT to solve like hackathons, which we will see in the upcoming videos. And also, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing more such different experiments with ChatGPT. We're building many live applications, and also I will show you like we will have how you can. It's just like chat using ChatGPT. You will be like a programmer on steroids. Okay. Mhm. So what it will do is like generally, if you are asking it, suppose once you get an error and you ask it like give me a corrected code, it learns that you are expecting a corrected code. For the next prompts, what it will do is like it will automatically produce such code. Uh, this is sometimes, only sometimes it happens that it just forgets your previous conversation and it starts behaving in a weird manner, but it is very rare. Most of the time it gives like very good responses. Okay, let's try to run this. Hmm. Okay, and also guys, you can put in the comment section if you want to see some specific form of content or a specific problem you want to see solved. You are looking for some creative video, you can just yeah, put it in your comments. I will try to create I will try to create for the specific content. So hopefully this should work now. I hope so it will work. Okay, so again you can go back. This is the thing, like it is like you don't have to go on the internet and search each time. So I'm you can just put it over here what exactly. And sometimes I think what happens is that sometimes it experiences heavy traffic and it just, oh my god. Okay. Oh, I'm unable to see my history over here. Okay, guys. Now, what you can do is like sometimes it happens that you're totally stuck and unable to solve. What you can do is like you can use a very reverse method. So go to this editorial. Now, what you can do is like here already people have solved this problem. This is like the final thing you can do. So what you can do is like you can just pick the code over here, and now you can try to understand like the with what logic author has. Suppose he has solved in C++. So what we can do is like we can go in C++ over here and do a submission. Okay, let's see. Yeah, mostly it will work because it's a solution, right? So here it is. Now what you can do if you are, if you or if you want to understand, you can take this and put in chat in like um, explain this code. In this code you can tell it to explain this code, so it will start explaining. So each line it will start explaining in a very systematic way. You can go through it, and I'll just stop it over here. What you can do is like suppose your language, your favorite language is in Python. Like my language is I also. So what you can even use ChatGPT to convert this code. Like you can take this code and ask it to convert into a Python code. Okay, convert. this into Python code. See, it will generate like the Python code for that, similar like that. This is the last thing. Most likely, what you if you just ask it enough number of times, you will be able to solve the problem. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ChatGPT Experiments. I'll come up with more exciting videos about ChatGPT and how it can be used to improve your productivity as a programmer and also as a tech guy. And also I will show some very strange type of applications that you can do with ChatGPT. Take care guys.